Hi, in front of me I have Honor Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply press the side button, like this. And now we need to press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. As you can see, find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the watch face menu again. And some of the watch faces will have the settings icon right here below them. You can tap on the settings icon and you can basically customize the widgets on this watch face. You can tap on one and here you will have the list of widgets you can select. For example, let's select the battery for this one. Next one is this one. We can tap on it to select it and select something like maybe not none. Hours active, and then let's tap on the last one and select, for example, calories. And once you're done, press the side button to confirm, like this, and your watch face should be applied with your settings. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Open the Huawei Health app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on devices, right here. Then select our Honor Band 6 from the list of devices. And here we have watch faces category. Tap on the more, right here, to open the whole list. Now let's tap on next, and then allow. And here, let's tap on mine. And right here you have a list of watch faces installed on your band, and you can simply switch between them by tapping on one. Right here we need to update it first, but let's do it. Let's tap on update to update the watch face. And after it's done updating, it's gonna be applied on your band, as you can see. And you can select any of these and tap on set as default to set it on your watch or other band, my bad, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.